Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force impressed. Here, we see a stone and a crumpled paper dropped from a certain height. They both are falling with the same acceleration, which is that due to gravity. The stone, being heavier, exerts a greater force on the ground and hence forms a bigger crater. We now see two identical balls moving with different speeds. As the balls hit the suspended block, they exert a force on the block because of which it rises. The ball moving faster undergoes a larger retardation on coming in contact with the block and thus exerts a larger force on it by pushing it higher. These two illustrations together show that the force is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. A cricket player moves his hands backwards while catching a fast-moving cricket ball. By doing so, he increases the time taken to reduce the momentum of the ball to zero. Thus, the rate of change of momentum of the ball and the force exerted by the ball on the player's hands decreases. The stretchable seat belts worn by the driver reduces the rate of change of momentum, thereby reducing the impact due to sudden braking at the time of accident. As the high jumper lands on a heap of sand, the sand shifts, reducing the athlete's momentum more gently. As a result, the force impressed on the ground reduces, and the athlete does not get hurt.